Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about how to convert a text into speech using a Python module called Python text to speech. So without any ado, let's get started. So of course, first we'll create a new file, Python file. Okay, so we'll name it as, like, let's just say our Jarvis. Okay, so we have created it. Okay, so all you have to do is install that module. So as you know, we have to install any Python module, you have to run pip install and then the package name. So it's nothing but Python text to speech version. This x3 is nothing but like version 3 kind of thing. Okay, and then hit enter. So depending on your internet speed and you know your processor speed, it will take time. For me, it is already saying that requirement already satisfied. I already have installed this. So now after that, what you have to do is you have to import that module. Import Python text to speech. Okay, and then what you have to do is you have to, let's just say we'll create a variable. Okay, and then we'll initialize it. So nothing, just you have to use that module what you have imported, and then you have to initialize it. That's all. Okay, now all you have to do is use that variable to say anything you want to say. If you want anything, just type in here and it will read out. So let's just say, hi, this is technical warehouse. Okay, and then after that you should just run and wait. Okay, that's all. In just 4 line of commands you can convert any text to speech. Let me just run this for you. Program name is nothing but Jarvis. So yeah,
Hi, this is Technical Warehouse.
see, you can like give anything. Let's just say welcomes you. Okay, let's just run it again.
Hi, this is Technical Warehouse, welcomes you.
See, so in just 4 line of commands you can convert any text to speech. So please subscribe my channel, and in the coming project I'll be creating uh text to speech program only, which will rap for you, not just rap for you. It will depending on your like favorite singer and favorite song, it will rap for you. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Thanks.